Do you know that Python is one of the most powerful, easy to learn, and most in demand programming language in the world right now? Whether you want to become a web developer, data scientist, or AI engineer, Python is the first step to your tech career. So, if you have always wanted to learn Python but did not know where to start, this is your chance. In this Python course, I will take you from absolute beginner to advanced level step by step in a clear, practical, and easy to understand way. You will not only learn the theory but also work on real world projects, understand problem solving, and write clean professional code. Python is used everywhere from building websites like Instagram and YouTube to analyze data for companies like Google and Netflix, and even creating artificial intelligence model. Python is behind it all. And the best part, Python is beginner friendly, has a clean syntax, and give you the power to create almost anything you can imagine. Imagine building your own app, automating boring tasks, or creating an AI chatbot all with Python. By the end of this series, you won't just know Python, you will be able to use it confidently in real world projects. So, if you are truly serious about starting your programming journey, then subscribe to my channel right now and turn on the notification bell because I will teach you Python from beginner to advanced, step by step in a simple and practical way. I will see you in the next video where we will start our journey into the world of Python.